Hello and welcome to this video on the simplification of the cardiovascular system covering the basic anatomy and physiology. This system, also known as the circulatory system, is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to the body's tissues and removing waste products. It consists of three main components: the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. Let's start with the heart. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It's located in the chest, behind the sternum and between the lungs. The heart has four chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. The atria receive blood from the veins and the ventricles pump blood out to the arteries. The heart is surrounded by a protective sac called the pericardium, and it's supplied with blood by the coronary arteries. The heart also has an electrical conduction system that controls its rhythm and rate of contraction. This system includes the sinoatrial (SA) node, the atrioventricular (AV) node, and the bundle of His. Now let's move on to the blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the body's tissues. Veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels that connect the arteries and veins and allow for the exchange of nutrients and waste products. Blood flows through the cardiovascular system in a closed loop. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps the blood into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs to be oxygenated. The oxygenated blood returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins and enters the left atrium. From there, it's pumped into the left ventricle and then out to the body's tissues via the aorta. Finally, let's talk about the blood itself. Blood is a fluid that consists of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Plasma is a yellowish liquid that makes up about 55% of blood volume and contains water, proteins, and other substances. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, are responsible for carrying oxygen to the body's tissues. White blood cells, or leukocytes, help the body fight infections and diseases. Platelets are small cell fragments that help with blood clotting. And that's a brief overview of the anatomy and physiology of the cardiovascular system. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more medical content.